Ah! Okay, I'm going to smash this boy. When my Hulk smash!
No.
I'm just joking. Here comes my... Okay. Okay. This is the end of you box. Whatever you are keeping must be mine. Oh my goodness! What the heck? What are these two? Who are you? Ah! Godzilla is here. There's the salmon. Oh man! Oh! There he is. Mechagodzilla. Oh! Let me get these Mechagodzilla. Okay, boy. Oh! And there's even Skullcrawler and Godzilla and Warbat. Okay, this is epic. Oh my goodness, look at Mechagodzilla. He's ready to battle. Okay, so give me his items.
Sit down.
No longer you belong these. I belong these now. Let's start with him. Okay, this is stuck. Daddy, there's even one over here. Okay, there's his tail. Okay, this is hot. Okay, there's even a tie to his hand. I hope there's okay, so this is there he is. Come on, my belly. You can do this. Okay, this is super weird.
What's that?
The battle damage. Give me his battle damage.
How about the blue one? What's that?
It's used to his mouth.
What is it?
The atomic breath. Okay, so this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we go. We have Mechagodzilla and Godzilla.
Do you like them?
Yeah!
Show them to the camera.
Look at this! Mechagodzilla's ready for the fight. Okay.
And the other one.
Godzilla!